This is the 1 terabyte SSD I installed on my LG Gram 14. The Samsung Magician software detected the SSD and updated the firmware to the latest, and now I'm going to migrate my old SSD data to the new Samsung SSD. So this is the data migration version 3.1 Samsung data migration. You can download this from the Samsung website and just open it up, and you can select the source disk and you can play around with the partition. I have two partitions, so I can allocate around 200 GB for the operating system, that is Windows, and another deep partition for my other data to be stored. So I am going to give 204 GB for the C drive and 731 GB for the D drive. Previously it was 100 GB, 108 GB for the C drive and 107 GB for D drive. So I'm going to click start now, and it is giving me a warning that when cloning start, all data on the target disk will be deleted and cannot be recovered. Also, files on the source disk are open, cannot be cloned. Please close all running files before cloning. So let me check what process or what else is running on my machine. I believe there is nothing important is running in the background. So now I'm going to click yes. So the process is starting. Never disconnect the disk while cloning is in progress. The source disk is Hitachi and the target disk is Samsung SSD 970 EVO plus 1 terabyte hard disk. It will take anywhere between half an hour or 1 hour, who knows. Now it is copying at 32 Mbps. Anyway, I'm going to pause this video and come back after finishing the cloning process. Cloning speed reached over 100 megabytes per second. Now it is 116 megabytes per second. The data migration is successfully done. Now I'm going to remove the original SSD. The SATA SSD came with this laptop, and try to boot from the new Samsung EVO Plus. Just remove the original Hitachi drive came with this laptop. This is a SATA drive, and going to install the back cover and come back in a moment. Windows is successfully booted from the new Samsung hard drive. Let us see. As you can see, the space now, the Samsung's migration software is successfully moved all my data to the respected C and D drives, and now I have a lot of free space on my C and D drives. Everything is working as expected. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. This is Vishnu. Bye.